Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Elliot Eddy and I am the inventor of the Entrepreneur Game, the world's first and only STEM accredited entrepreneur board game. Actually, I'm the inventor of 4 different board games. And the question that I get a lot is, how did you do it? How did you take an idea and turn that into a board game, a physical product, and sell that in 9 countries around the world? And I want to share that information with you. Many of you don't know this, but the board game, just the tabletop board and card game industry is an $11.9 billion industry a year. That's right, I said billion. And toy and game makers project that over the next 4 years, it's going to increase by $5.6 billion. So that $5.6 billion, where's that coming from? That's coming from people like you and your family who have ideas for incredible board games, who are going to make those board games over the next 4 years and sell them around the world. So how do you do it? I'm glad you asked. So I want to invite you all to our very first board and card game summit. That's right, this is a free summit where you can learn how to take your idea and turn it into a physical product and sell it around the world. What we're going to be doing is hosting a different board game inventor from around the United States, and we're going to have board game and card game manufacturers, both domestic and international. We have some incredible speakers, incredible game makers, incredible inventors that's going to be part of this event. As a matter of fact, one of our presenters has created a card game that has sold over 200,000 copies. And if you don't know, that makes him a multi-millionaire. And he's going to be here for free, sharing with you his ups and downs, how he got started, how he got his card game manufactured, and how he got it sold around the world. The summit is happening next week, April 27th through May 1st. It's 5 days a week. That's Monday through Friday for 1 hour. It starts at 7 o'clock p.m. and goes to 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to send out a Zoom invite so you can join in. There's no cost to you. I want you to come in, get this information, and even bring your questions so that all of these inventors can answer your questions. So I look forward to seeing you there. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you on the 27th.